Alright, this is how you turn off lane assist on a Bronco. One is a 2023. You go to settings, you go to driver's assist. It's the first one, lane keeping system. Lane keeping mode, and you just turn it. I have mine aid in alerts, where you just turn it onto alerts if you don't want the steering wheel to move, or just aid and no beeping. I have mine on. I kind of got used to driving with it, and we did turn it off because it will go in like a lane that's turning, to go left or something sometimes. But when it comes to just driving down the road and kind of, we're a distracted generation, so let's be honest, it has helped. This I've had to put to low. I think I had it on normal, and it vibrates the steering wheel. Oh, so maybe I had it on low. That's when it's going out of the lane. Yeah. Trailer control, cross traffic alert. There's a bunch of stuff. Driver alert on. I don't know what that is. Okay, but that's probably the biggest thing. Oh, pre-collision assistance, active braking on, alert sensitivity. This is what I was going to say. I hope my hand wasn't in the way the whole time. So this I have on normal. It comes in high, I'm pretty sure. But if you're like trying to speed up and get close to a car for whatever reason, the screen will go red and it will be like, and it will freak you out if you don't know what's going on the first time. I have mine on normal just in case, because if you're on low, let's be honest, something happens that might not be enough time. So, especially depending on the speed you're going. So I keep mine on normal. It works pretty well. Nothing too crazy. But I did have to take it off high. So that's all driver's assist. Vehicle. Rear occupant alert. I'm going to turn that on. I didn't know that was off. 30-minute idle max. You can turn that on and off. Mine's on. Probably should turn that off. Remote start setup. Active remote start on. Climate control. Seats duration. Windows. Remote open and close. Those are on, so that's okay. That's probably holding the lock button or something. Locks. Auto unlock, that's where you grab the handle and it's got that thing sensor underneath. Mislock chirp. I don't know what that is. Intelligent access, what is this? Turns off passive entry functions. Key fobs can be used to lock and unlock. No, let's leave that alone. I haven't really gone through it, to be honest. All of this. My son came in here when we first got it and was like pressing buttons. This is the on-off automatic. That must be why my car is turning off all the way when I stop at a stop sign now, because my son likes to I guess that's off. That's kind of cool. I didn't know that. My son likes to press buttons, and then I don't know what they are yet. But anyway, that's kind of the rundown inside.